As urbanization rapidly increases in Africa, new city dwellers are much less likely to grow their own food, relying on the food system to meet their dietary needs. A team of researchers from ETH Zurich, along with partners from the Ethiopian Institute of Agricultural Research, has led efforts to determine how to make the Ethiopian Tef value chain more resilient to shocks such as drought. They are trying to find ways to help the production and processing of the grain start working again after such shocks. 3 workshops were held in Ethiopia, and a process of everyone working together was first established. The stories of hundreds of players in the Tef value chain were then gathered in interviews and through the workshops. What the researchers found was that overall, robustness of Tef farmers to avoid negative impacts caused by drought is limited. The group then prioritized certain measures as being important. To make Tef production more resilient to drought, irrigation technologies and stress-resistant, high-yielding varieties are needed. Acquiring new technologies for the processing of Tef is critical. And there is a need to enhance the knowledge of all stakeholders about the risks of drought. Listen to the other stories to learn more about ETH Zurich's efforts to help the millions of people who farm, process, and enjoy Tef.